All right, today we're going to bring a Scigold charger and also batteries. Now, these batteries are made for a lot of power, right? Now, on the actual charging station, I don't know if you can see it, but I'm going to see if I could actually show you guys right now. It just beeped right now saying that one of the batteries is full, which is this one right here. So removing it, it's easy. So you could do up to AAA batteries on this one. Right now, these are AA batteries, rechargeable. Make sure that you do rechargeable, right? You can't use regular batteries. So this is another rechargeable battery, and it tells you there's a little image here facing up. So just make sure you slide it in there, and that's pretty much it. Now, there's two buttons, right? On the two buttons, there's a mode. This is going to indicate the actual how much the voltage that's actually taking in. On the secondary is that you can maximize the actual milliamps that you want, all right? Up to 5,000 milliamps. So you could change it, interchange it. Just make sure that you're aware of the type of batteries that you're going to actually be charging. So because sometimes that you want to overcharge it, it could damage the battery. On this charger itself, it automatically shuts itself down and it will not continue to charge and overcharge, right? And overheating too also. There's a lot of safety mechanisms on this. I like the actual system that you can actually drop down and fit any size of battery. There is a type C charging station that comes. No cable was included. No box was included. You have to provide your own actual cable to charge it. But once it's getting going, like for example, I'm going to put this one back in there. You're going to hear it beep. And it's going to take about a couple of seconds to find out that it's charging right now. And it's going to say, it's going to beep. It's going to let us know that it's fully charged because I was charging it for quite a while already. So on top of that, these batteries can be used for pretty much a lot of different devices. I mean, this larger batteries is this is a 1260 3.6 volts on it, completely on it. So what you do with this battery is, because I do own a lot of flashlights, and these large flashlights that are capable of powering up an entire area, these batteries take a lot of voltages, and I always have to recharge them. So I replace them and just keep them going once in a while. I don't even have to worry about, running out of battery, especially if you're going camping. You want to take maybe extra batteries with you and other places. And also, if you have a charging area, you could take your charger with you. Now, one of the best things I like about it is that you just pretty much pop them out. You're ready to go. Like I said, it does various sizes on this. There's an LCD screen that tells you the amps, and of course, like I said, the voltage that you want to actually current to. You don't have to worry about overcharging it, overheating. So if you guys are looking for a great device to charge multiple batteries, also see the voltage and also change the voltage, you can do that. So hope you guys enjoyed this video.